Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. I've got a volunteer smoker sitting out here in front of the shop today. This one's going on man Brandon in West Virginia. He just made the haul up here, got his trailer with him. He's about to tow her back home with him. I wanted y'all to check her out before she goes. So, as I said, this is the TMG Volunteer. And the reason why we call it Volunteer is because TMG is volunteering to help save Texas style barbecue. And the way we're doing that is with this beautiful smoker we built here. So let's check her out. Now this is on our off-road package, but other than that, guys, this is how the Volunteer comes standard. This is our standard wheel and tire setup. We got the fold down stack, fold her up there, got your little wing nut handy, pop it in there, lock her down, she's good to go. There's the stack. You got your fixed front shelf here, paper towel and utensil holder there. Open up the main chamber here. Now one thing that's kind of special about the Volunteer is just the size of it. This is a big smoker, guys. So we've got 27 inches deep, 52 inches wide. You got two sliding trays in there, of course, guys. You know we got that top shelf in there. Now it does have a water pan tray back here as well, so that way if you want to set your water pan in there, you can. Doesn't take up any cook room. Got your 1-inch ball valve grease drain down there at the bottom to keep her clean. Those TMG Pits tell-true thermometers there, made in the USA. That's what we like to see. We come around here to the firebox. Now the whole smoke chamber is 1/4 inch steel. The firebox is actually 3/8, so you got an extra thick firebox here. Big firebox as well, 24 inches by 26 inches long, so plenty of room to build your fire in there. Keep it away from the smoke chamber. D-ring tie-down points on all 4 corners. Guys, this Volunteer is set up. She is ready to go. So, hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built just like this, you know who to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.